Hi students, welcome to video number 47. Okay, in this video we are continuing the topic web technology. So in the previous video we already learned the basic structure of HTML document. What are the different commonly used tags in HTML and what is the importance of HTML in web technology, and it is belonging to which kind of scripting languages. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is a web-based language used for creating web pages. Web technology means here we are dealing with web pages. So in this chapter we are going to study a new language or web-based language called HTML. So we already studied the theoretical aspects of HTML, or it belonging to which category, what is the difference between static web page and dynamic web page. So in this chapter we are going to study how we are creating static web pages with the help of HTML language. Okay, so how we are going to create HTML web pages. Okay, HTML web pages or static web pages. So in the previous video we already learned the basic structure of HTML. So every HTML program starts with HTML tag. After, to give a suitable name for the web page, we are using header tag and also title tag. Then to give content in a web page we are using body tag. So the most commonly used tags are HTML tag, header tag, body tag, and fourth one is HTML tag, title. One more is the title tag. So we know title. In HTML we are including titles. Okay, in HTML we are including tags. So we already know HTML is a collection of tags. So we know in C++ we are using statements. Input statement, output statement, declaration statement, assignment statement. Then every statement ends with a semicolon. Okay, so these are the rules and regulation of C++ programming language. Okay, C++ programming language or C++ program is a collection of statements. But in HTML it is entirely different. There is no statements because HTML for compilation purpose, HTML they are using browsers. Okay, for executing an HTML program, definitely you want to use web browser, any of the web browser, because it is connected with internet. So without web browser, we can't execute an HTML program. Okay, so there are some difficulties there. Then one more difference is there. In HTML, instead of statement, everywhere we are using tags. So we can say that HTML is a collection of tags and attributes. Okay, HTML language is a collection of tags and its attributes. Okay, so we will start the video with our learning objectives. So what we are going to discuss in this video? Okay, first one we are going to discuss tags in HTML document, or what are the significance, or what is the significance of tag in HTML document. After that we will discuss different types of tags. Okay, container tags and empty tag and also its examples. After that we will discuss about attributes. What is mean by attribute, or what are the different attributes or commonly used attribute, or for what purpose we are using attributes. Then next one we will discuss HTML elements. Okay, essential or the basic elements of an HTML document. Then after that how we are typing HTML program. Then after, if we are typing HTML program, definitely you want to execute. So how we are executing HTML programs. Okay, so these are the learning objectives of this video. Clear? So these are the learning objective, or these are the points that we are going to discuss in this video. So we will start with tags. Tags means tag enclosed between angular bracket. Tags enclosed between angular bracket. Then every tag, for example, we know 4 tags in HTML program. In the previous video, we already seen HTML tag. So I will start with HTML tag. Starting tag is HTML. So this is an opening tag for HTML tag. Once the HTML program is over, we are closing that tag by a backslash. Okay, closing tag indicate same name, same tag name we are using. Before the tag name we are using a slash, backslash. Okay, so this slash is known as an ending slash, or this opening and closing. This indicate we are closing that tag. In C++ program, once the bracket is open, after the usage we are closing that bracket. Same purpose, once the usage of that tag is over, we are closing that tag by closing or closing symbol. Vertical symbol is the close tag. Okay, so this is HTML opening tag and closing tag. So every tag always represent inside angular brackets. Okay, angular brackets. Commonly used HTML tags are HTML tag, body tag, title tag, head tag. These 4 tags are essential for an HTML document. Okay, so tags enclosed between angular bracket. Tags enclosed between angular bracket. To indicate an operation, we are using tags. Okay, suppose you want to write any information, or suppose you want to include a paragraph in our HTML document, then definitely you want to write that paragraph inside the body tag. Okay, then suppose you want to specify the title, then we will write the title inside the title tag. Okay, clear? So this is a tag. HTML program is a collection of tag and its attributes. Clear? Then there are 2 types of tags are available. First one is container tag. First tag is container and second one is empty tag. 2 types of tags are available, container tag and empty tag. Then first one, what does mean by? Very important question, because for your practical examination, sure question for your Viva is what is the difference between container tag and empty tag? Or the master will, that means the examiner will ask, please identify the container tag from your HTML program, or find out the empty tags from your HTML program. Very important question, difference between container tag and empty tag for your theory exam and also for your practical examination. Then container tag. What does mean by a container tag? Container tags are the tag that has opening section and also closing section. Okay, every tag, when we are opening the tag, definitely you want to close. All that tag is belonging to container tag category. Container tag means a tag contain opening tag and also closing tag. Both should be present. Okay, so this kind of tags are known as container tags. Clear? Example, HTML, head, title, body, all are belonging to container tag category, because both or all of them having both the tags, opening and also closing tag. And then second category is empty tag. Okay, second one is empty tag. Then what does mean by empty tag? Empty tags means there will be only opening section, there will be no closing section. Only opening section, there will be no closing section. That kinds of tags are known as empty tag. Okay, that kind of tags are known as empty tag. Example, dr tag. Then one more is the img tag. Then hr tag. Okay, 3 examples for empty tag. Br tag means it is equal to /n. In C++ we are using /n escape sequence. For what we are using /n? Instead of enter we are using /n, or to give a new line character we are using /n. In HTML also, suppose you want to go to the next line during the execution procedure. So instead of /n we can use a tag called br tag, line breaking tag. Okay, then second one is img tag, for inserting an image to our web page. Okay, in img tag there is no closing tag. Then hr also, to draw a horizontal line we are using hr tag. In hr tag also there is no closing line or closing tag. So these 3 are the most commonly used empty tags, because they have only opening section, there is no closing section. Okay, so these are the 2 categories of tag, container tag and empty tag. I think the concept is clear. Container tag means opening. A tag which contain opening and closing tag is belonging to container tag category. Example, head, title, body, then HTML. These all are belonging to container tag category. Opening section and closing section. Second one, empty tag. Only opening section, there is no closing section. Okay, so this kinds of tags are known as empty tag. Clear? Then next one, what is our next topic? Attributes in HTML. Okay, attributes in HTML. Attributes in HTML means to give special features to the HTML document or to give special features for our web page. We are using attributes. Okay, attribute means basically these attributes are used to specify the length of the image, then measurements, then style, color. For all that purpose we are using attribute. Always attributes we are using along with the tag. For example, suppose we are including a web page. Then always we are including a web page with the help of body tag. Okay, body tag. Then suppose you want to give background color for the web page. Normally the web page default color for the web page is white. Suppose we are going to change its background into red color. Then if we write body, then what will come? Only white color will come. Suppose you want to change the default color, then you want to use some attributes. Okay, to give attractive features to the web page. So here I can write BG color. Body BG color equal to red. Or body BG color equal to red, we can write like this. Body BG color equal to red. If I write body BG color equal to red, what will happen? The body tag will execute and also it will allow red color to fill in that web page or as a content. Okay, so here body is the tag and BG color is the attribute of body tag. So in this chapter we are going to study different tags of HTML and also its attributes. Okay, attributes will be different for all the tags. Okay, all that first we will discuss the commonly used tag along with its attribute. So actually attributes are the features that we are giving, specially that we are giving to the web page. But it is not necessary for our web page. If you want to make it an attractive manner, or we can use its attributes. Otherwise, if we use body tag, then definitely you will get the web page with white background. Clear? So this is attributes. To give special features to the web page, we are using attributes. Clear? So this is attribute tags and attributes. Next one is elements of an HTML document. Okay, elements of an HTML document, or what are the commonly used elements that we already learned from the previous video. Elements, what will be the first element? HTML tag, because every HTML program starts with HTML document. HTML tag is a container tag. If you are opening HTML, definitely you want to close the tag. After HTML, what will be the second tag? Head tag. Okay, to indicate or to give heading for your web page. After that, title. Then fourth one is body tag, to give body. So these are the four elements for your HTML program. HTML tag, head tag, title tag and body tag. Clear? So these are the four elements. Then elements. After the elements, next one is how we are executing HTML program or how we are executing HTML program. For executing HTML program, we can use any of the text editor software. But in our practical section, we are not using any of the text editor software. We are using our normal, that means the application level text editor program, that is Genie. Okay, so please look at the picture of Genie, how the layout of Genie program is present. Okay, in that program, there we already one program is given now, untitled sample, that is that sample.html. This is the IDE of Genie editor. Genie editor is our practical software. In this software, we are going to start your C++ program and also HTML program. In Genie IDE, there are sample.html program is already given. Then it contains so many options: file, edit, search, view, document, project, build, tools and help. So many options are available. So you want to type the HTML program in that Genie software. In sample.html, no, that white color section, that section is for the program. Once you type the program, please save the file with the .html extension. Save the file in .html extension. Then we can use other text editor like Genie, Gedit, TextPad, Notepad, Notepad++, etc. for creating HTML document. You don't want to use Genie only, we can use Notepad, text editor software for typing HTML program. So anyone we can use, but for our C++ program we are using Genie, so HTML also we can use the same text editor software. So you want to type the sample HTML program in Genie text editor. After that, save your file with .html extension. Okay, then in that one execute option is present, no, build option is present. That build option present in build option, and after that build option, when you click on build menu, then you will get one more option called execute. To get the output, we can use execute. Otherwise, okay, you saved your file with .html extension, no? Take that file and right click and open that file in any of the web browser. Okay, any of the web browser. Then you will get the web page. So, for executing HTML program, two options are available. We can open that using open with option. Right click the file and open with any of the browser. Otherwise, in Genie, one execute option is present near to the build option. That option also we can use. Then three dots there, no, that icon is known as execute option. That option also we can use. In Genie, you don't want to right click or you don't want to go for the file and right click on open with button. The direct option is already available. We can make use of that. Otherwise, one more option is there. Right click and open with any of the web browser. Then you will get the web page, corresponding web page. If there are any error present, then you will not get the error message. That is the difficulty of HTML program. In C++, when the program code is wrong, you will get error statement along with the line name. But in HTML, you will not get the error name, line number and also error name that you want to identify. Okay, so actually HTML is easy. Definitely you will get something as a web page, but if it is not correct, then the identification of error is difficult comparing to C++. Okay, so when you type the program, after typing the program, you want to save with the extension .html. Then you can save it in your folder. Okay, once you save your file in the folder, always check the extension. If the extension is wrong, then you will not get the output. Then after saving your file, you can execute the file using right click with open. Otherwise, we can use Genie for executing. Okay, so this is how we are typing HTML program and how we are executing an HTML document. Okay, I think the concept is clear. So these information we are discussing in this video. Okay, so what we learned from this video? First one, we already know HTML. Extension of HTML is hypertext markup language. HTML is a collection of tags and attributes. Okay, tags means the information displayed or the tags always enclosed in angular bracket. Two types of tags are available, container tag and empty tag. Container tag, opening section and closing section will be there. In empty tag, only opening section, there is no closing section. Example, img, hr, br, these are also example for empty tag. Then elements of HTML, head, title, body, then HTML. These are the elements for HTML. Then we already seen how we are creating HTML program. So type the HTML program with any of the text editor software and save it with extension .html. Then how we are executing the program. We can right click, otherwise double click on it, it will automatically open in any of the browser. Otherwise you can right click and open with any of the browser. Then otherwise in Genie one option is available called execute button. So we can execute our HTML program. Okay, clear. So these are the elements of HTML, or how we are typing HTML program and how we are executing HTML program. Okay, so you want to write questions in your notebook. So please check the questions. First question is compare container tag and empty tag with example or with the help of examples. Okay, that is the first question. Compare container tag and empty tag with the help of examples. Then write short note on HTML elements. Second question. Write short note on HTML elements. So these two questions answer you want to write in your notebook. If you have any doubt, please note it down, and while we are having the Google Meet, at that time you can ask. Okay, so after watching the video, please complete your notes. Hope you understood. Remaining section we will discuss in the next video. Okay then, thank you.